Pinpoint weather team coverage continues now at 7:03 as we're tracking the impacts of those strong winds we had overnight. National Grid crews have been busy. They've been out all night, like you can see here in North Kingstown, as they've been trying to fix thousands of power outages. So the numbers just keep fluctuating. We were up over 40,000 about an hour ago. Now we're down to about 37,000 customers without power in Rhode Island. Meanwhile, the numbers have gone up in Bristol County, Mass, to over 4,000. And the hardest hit communities continue to be Pawtucket. They've been fluctuating at about 4,500 for a time, and there are about 3,000 people without power in Lincoln. Brandon Truitt has been in Lincoln tracking the situation for us all morning. What's the latest?
Well, Danielle, good morning to you. Well, the rain seems to have moved out a bit. The wind gusts are a little bit more infrequent, but they still pack a punch whenever they hit. Power is still out in this area. We are right next to the entrance to the campus of CCRI. The college still in the dark. They're running off a generator right now. Traffic lights in this area still not working. I want to show you what the wind was able to do, though, overnight. This is at the entrance, the video you're seeing of 146 South. Now, this entrance here was blocked near Twin River Road because of that tree falling. People were not able to access the highway there. A portion of the exit ramp was also blocked for a time before RIDOT crews were able to get out and work. Certainly working in high gear this morning, they were able to split the log up in evenly. Eventually break it into pieces and open up a portion of that ramp. But it's trees like that are taking out power in much of Lincoln. Traffic lights are out, as I mentioned. Many drivers are confused at these intersections. Police were out helping some people find detours around some of the closed roads, and much of the area is in the dark throughout 246, which is the road behind us. As I mentioned, CCRI still without power here. I want to show you a list of numbers, though, that might be useful for you to write down, either if you're watching us on live stream or if you know someone living in the communities that Danielle just listed with those frequent power outages. These are the numbers they can call to report them or get an update on when that power might be fixed. Bringing you back out live right now. We're starting to get another round of those gusts. I just spoke with the spokesperson for National Grid, who said right now they don't have a broad estimate on when those power outages might be fixed because it's so widespread across the state. So many communities are affected, and the wind like this, when those gusts hits, they aren't able to get up to fix the line. So they're certainly in an assessment mode right now. If you're making your way out, going to want to consider the debris on the road, such as trash cans, tree limbs, maybe plan for a few extra minutes there. Live in Lincoln, Brandon Truitt, Eyewitness News.
Wild weather sending a tree into a Douglas, Massachusetts home this morning, splitting it in two. Now, Douglas is off of Route 146, not far from the Rhode Island border. The homeowner said he was in his house on Main Street with his two young kids overnight when he saw the tree come crashing down. Troy Kibbe said he was supposed to have a friend sleep over on the couch last night. Thankfully, no one was hurt.
And then I heard a big bang, and now I got a tree stuck in my house.
If you see any storm damage in your neighborhood and it's safe to do so, take a picture or maybe even some video, email it along to report it at WPRI.com or upload it through our news app.